Might be Kylie now.
Hearing and vision loss can occur as we age. 1 in 5 people over 75 live with some level of sight loss. 1 in 2 people over 90 live with hearing loss. As an older person's vision and hearing decline, they can experience a loss of independence. They're also likely to have a higher risk of falls, hip fractures and depression.
Okay.
Support devices like hearing aids and glasses can help maintain the person's quality of life. This program will show how you can make a difference by ensuring that hearing aids and glasses are used correctly and properly maintained. Sight and sound, keeping the people we care for connected.
I'd almost forgotten how good you were.
Yeah, I was, wasn't I?